Hello students, I am Sridhar, Assistant Professor in Engineering College. Yes students, in previous classes we have discussed some important formulae and some very important long answer questions in integration. Okay students, in today's class we discuss one more important long answer question in integration. Okay, before going the class, if you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel, right? And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notifications when I uploaded new videos. Thank you students. Let us move to our topic. Today we discuss one more important question. Let's come. Students, did you remember what is the last formula? That means what is the last uh, type which we discussed? Yes, exactly. Integration of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c model. Isn't it? 1 by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So in today's class we do one more problem of this type. Be ready. So I am taking this problem. Yes students, integration of dx by 4x square minus 4x minus 7 into dx. Integration of 4x square minus 4x minus 7 into dx. Let us see how to do this problem. So as we discussed in earlier class, here you have to do this problem like this. I am taking first the expression given in the denominator, that is 4x square minus 4x minus 7. So here x square coefficient is 4. X square coefficient is not 1 here. If x square coefficient is 1, then there is no need of taking common. If x square coefficient is 4 or other than 1, we have to take it common. Okay? So here what is the x square coefficient? 4. So here x square coefficient is 4. So we have to take common 4 from the expression. So by taking 4 common from the expression, what we get? 4 of x square minus, in second term 4 is there. 4 is a multiple of 4, you know. So therefore 4 1 times 4. So x minus 7 is there. 7 is not a multiple of 4. So what we get? Yeah, exactly. 7 by 4. If a number is not a multiple of the taking common number, we should write in the form of by. So 7 by 4. Please do remember it. Very, very important. Now we have to convert this expression into the form x plus or minus beta, or plus or minus x plus or minus beta whole square. That means a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. So which depends on the sign of the linear term. Okay, already I told you. So here sign of the linear term is what? What is the linear term? X term. X term is the linear term. X square is quadratic term. X term is linear term. And the constant term, this is constant term. This is the quadratic term. this is the linear term, and this is the constant term. So the first three terms changes to a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square is depends on the sign of the linear term. So what is the sign of the linear term here? Minus. So it should be converted to the form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. To convert it into the form a minus b whole square, what we have to do now? We have to convert it into the form of a minus b whole square, so that we have to compare the expression with a minus b whole square. For that we have to add and subtract b square. So to add and subtract b square, the linear term must have the coefficient 2. So if the linear term not having the multiple of 2, then what we have to do? Already I told you, we should multiply and divide by 2. Should multiply and divide by 2. So the linear term is not having the multiple of 2. We should multiply and divide by 2. So here I am doing that. Okay. So that is the next step. 4 into x square minus, I am multiplying by 2 and also dividing by 2. Okay, so 2 into x into 1 by 2. So the value doesn't change, but it is converting to our form. Okay, so minus 7 by 4 is already there, so we have to write that minus 7 by 4. Now compare with a minus b whole square. A in the place of a is x. In the place of b, what is there? 1 by 2. So when comparing, yes students, here in the place of b, what is there? 1 by 2 is there. In the place of b, 1 by 2 is there. So we have to add and subtract 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square. So we are doing that now. Okay, so this is equal 4 of which I am erasing here because you will get some confusion if it is there. 4 of x square minus 2 into x into 1 by 2. Now what is 1 by 2 whole square, students? 1 by 4. I think you know. 1 by 4. So adding and subtracting 1 by 2 whole square, that is nothing but 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Already minus 7 by 4 is there. So minus 7 by 4. Now we have to calculate it. Okay. So students, here space is not there. So I am erasing from the top. So please don't confuse. So here we calculate the expression. Okay, so see here that is equal 4 of the first three terms, x square minus 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2 whole square, can be written as x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and in the last two terms minus 1 by 4 and minus 7 by 4, we can take common minus. Okay, so we can take common minus. Then what can we write here? 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Okay, what is 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4? 8 by 4. Okay, because both are having the denominator same. So LCM is same. If LCM is same, they are called as like fractions. If they are like fractions, we can add the numerators. Directly. Okay, so already you know it. So the denominators are same here, so we can add the numerators. 7 plus 1 8. So x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 7 plus 1 8 by 4. Okay, what is 8 by 4? 2. 8 by 4 is nothing but 2. So x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 8 by 4 is nothing but 2. Okay, so now we have to convert it into the form of perfect square. Okay, so if you observe, it is converting to x square minus a square form, x square minus a square form, x square minus a square form. So to convert it into the form x square minus a square, here we have to write 2 as perfect square number. Okay, 2 as perfect square number. Here 2 is there, 2 as perfect square number. To write 2 as perfect square number, what to do? Did you remember? Did you remember? Yes, exactly. Okay, so we have to write 2 as root 2 whole square. So x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus root 2 whole square, root 2 whole square. So the total expression converted to the form x square minus a square. Now we substitute this in our given integral. So here there is no space, so I am erasing from the top. Okay, so see here we are substituting, in the given integration. So that is equal, what is our given integration? Integration of 1 by 1 by 1 by 4x square minus 4x minus 7 into dx equal to 1 by 4 of x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus root 2 whole square into dx. Now it is of the form clearly integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx. Already we know the formula for 1 by x square minus a square. What is the formula? Anybody? Yes, exactly. 1 by 2a log. If x square minus a square is there, 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, this is the formula of 1 by x square minus a square into dx. Okay, now I am erasing from the top. Yes. Yeah, so this is equal to 1 by 4 is constant, it does not affect the integration, so I am taking 1 by 4 out. 1 by 2a, in the place of a what is there here? Root 2 is there, so 1 by 2a, 2 root 2 into log, what is there in the place of x? X minus 1 by 2 is there, so x minus 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2 minus root 2 by x minus 1 by 2 plus root 2, x minus 1 by 2 plus root 2, actually which is our answer. So you can stop here, but if you are good at calculation part, you can do one more step. So you can take common in the internal terms. So here 1 by 4 into 2. 1 by 4 into 2 is 8. 1 by 8 root 2. 1 by 8 root 2 log. 1 by 8 root 2 log. So if you take common, or if you take LCM in the internal part, 2x minus of 1 minus 2 root 2. Okay, whole by, again take LCM in the denominator 2x minus 1 plus 2 root 2. What is where is the 2 now? So in the numerator LCM and the denominator LCM get cancelled. So it is our final answer. Okay students, is it clear? Okay, so in the next class we will discuss one more problem of this type, then you will get more clarity of this model, and after that we will move to the next type problems. Okay, so if you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notification